Oh yeah, this is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Zertucci here, and what we're doing is we're breaking down the panels of the fence so we can get all the recycled materials that we want to use for our next projects. We're doing a lot of the rustic look that we're looking for, and what better way than to reuse some of the materials that are already provided to us. Thank you very much. So this is going to be a long long work in progress, but we'll check it out. So this is how I was doing it to get the panels out without destroying them too much. And this is actually a technique that I saw my father-in-law doing before I got there. He'd already knocked out about 4 or 5 of the panels by himself, and so I'm doing the last one as I was getting the pit started, so I figured I'd give him a hand real quick.
Gotta bite. I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Oh man, sorry, close up of the beard, but no, I just got to thinking, wow, look at all that moss that's growing on there. It's pretty cool to me because like I catch floats or find floats down the beach, and they'll have all these barnacles all over them and stuff like that. So it just kind of made me reminisce about that and stuff like that. So a lot of these were, the trees were overgrown onto the fence and stuff like that, so they started to grow their own. And so I figured that would be cool to show y'all. And again too, you know, just breaking them all down, make sure all the nails and screws and everything are out of this wood, because actually father-in-law has already started that other table that y'all saw us do, and this is most of the materials that he used right there. So you know, it's very awesome, and stay tuned, we got a lot to come your way. Here's where all the other panels are doing, and I'm adding on to several of his rows. And yes sir, we are getting it done. Gonna get the yard all cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, we'll have an update. And yeah, I'm pretty exhausted. You can see I'm teeter-tottering back and forth, but we gotta get the work done. And working this late nights, it's gonna be an awesome event once we get there. But yeah, look at all that old wood that it's going to turn into another work of beauty. Those are the 4x4s and the base and top ends of that. And yeah, that was where the pile was. Now we got it cleaned up and broken up. Pit is going, the kids table is done. That's what he started it. So I'll do a video in the morning that y'all have already seen actually by this video.